In this video, we are going to look at the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum. This is one of the most affordable Roombas with Wi-Fi on the market, but it comes with some limitations. I've been using this vacuum for a few months now, and overall I'm happy with it. It does a good job cleaning floors, even going up and down between vinyl and rugs and carpet. It avoids obstacles well, and it does a pretty good job course correcting. The Roomba 694 unfortunately does not have any mapping capabilities. You can buy a virtual wall barrier, which can help it avoid certain things like food bowls for your pets, but I didn't find this to be necessary. The box includes the Roomba, the charging cord, the dock, instructions, and a spare filter. When you get the Roomba, it's only slightly charged, so you need to charge it for around 3 hours before your first use. Once it's charged, setup is easy. Just pull the tab from the underside of the Roomba and follow along with the steps in the iRobot app. The main cleaning mode can be triggered from a button or the app. Just double tap the clean button or press new job on the app. This will make the Roomba just start cleaning everywhere. Since there's no mapping with this Roomba, the vacuum just goes in a random pattern to clean and it can miss a lot of different areas. iRobot says if it finds high debris concentration, it will move in a spiraling motion to clean more thoroughly, but I found this to be hit or miss. I did notice the robot won't go downstairs because it has the cliff sensors, and if it bumped into a chair, it did a good job at spinning around and going between the legs of the chair without getting stuck. When you're done cleaning, you can send the Roomba back to the base with the home button or a button on the app, but I found this to be kind of slow. It was faster to just pick the robot up, dump the dustbin, and put it back on the dock. I like this approach because you do need to empty the dustbin after every single cleaning, and it just makes sure that you get it on the charger faster. Overall, the Roomba 694 is a great value Wi-Fi vacuum, but it has a few quirks. I feel like it goes in such a random pattern that it misses a lot of floor space. I also notice it doesn't avoid things like blankets or cords on the floor, and those can get stuck or caught in the brushes. So it's really important to keep your floors and home tidy before you run the vacuum. I also noticed that hair gets stuck really easily in the bottom. You can get a tool that looks like a letter opener that makes the brushes a lot easier to clean. I also accidentally pulled one of the spinning brushes off when getting some hair unstuck, but fortunately the replacement part was easy to find on Amazon and it was only a few dollars. This is one of the best things about buying an iRobot part. You can easily get replacement parts anywhere on the internet. So if you're on a budget and you just want to get into the world of robot vacuums, then the Roomba 694 will get the job done for you. But it will not replace your regularly scheduled vacuum cleaning. It'll just supplement it and help gather more dust and debris from around the house. It handles our two cats well, but the dustbin fills up fast and it misses a lot of spots in the house due to the lack of a mapping feature. If you want a robot vacuum that will replace most of your vacuuming, I would recommend getting one that is self-emptying and that includes mapping features. This will add quite a bit of cost, but in the long run, it will be much more user-friendly for you. But if you're just looking to get a cheap starter vacuum that should last you a long time with a good warranty and easy to replace parts, then the iRobot 694 would be a great vacuum for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in more smart home and tech reviews, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so you continue to get more of my content. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, please consider purchasing with links in the description below.